image of a cyclist or runner. Treat Photoshop as a kinetic diagram capturing motion itself. Duplicate the layer and add motion blur in the direction of movement, then mask it so only the background blurs. The subject remains sharp but charged with speed. Create a new layer and paint dynamic streaks of electric blue and orange following the athlete's trajectory using soft light. This suggests energy trails. Add a subtle radial gradient behind the subject, shifting from deep navy to soft gray. It stabilizes the composition without slowing it down. Use the curves tool to deepen the blacks and push the highlights slightly higher.